Oh, the levees broke. There's a dropper under. Shit. On second thought. Oh shit. Oh, that'll come up quick. Nah. Nah, I won't. It's good that everyone can get out and got somewhere to go, put their stuff, except for this bloke. So yeah, my shed's the lowest shed, so if I put everything up on the table, it'll be pretty much level with the road. So load the dogs in the Jeep, I guess. Got a tent, got a bag of clothes. Yay me. It's blowing in quick. Oh well. Yeah. Best I can do is can't even lift my fridge up. Can't put my bike up. Yeah, you guys are gonna have to live in the water, mate. What can we do? Oh, we can't put much more up, can we? I mean, there's little Dad's paperwork, passport, everything. Yeah. Fridge. Washing machine. Dryer. Oh yeah, don't worry about the dogs. These are all fucked now, mate. Fuck off. Learn to swim, cunt. Oh yeah, plus my beds, TV. It'd be really nice if I just had somewhere to store this shit, you know? Somewhere that's just like not, well, if you knew how bad it's going to get here in the next hour, you'd understand.